Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change tips in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds. So at first we need to take them off. So do something like this with your fingers and just twist it to the other side. They have to be looking like this. Now we have to hold it like this with these three fingers, pointing, middle and the thumb, and just we have to press it like and drag it with our nails to our side so that it will come off easily. Don't forget that we can't just ruin them and break them, so try doing it very delicate with our nails, right, like this. And now, as you can see, it will come off. We have to do this with our nails actually, but it will eventually come off. Even I do have the problem with that because this is so tight, but I don't really want to break that. And now, as you can see, this is completely taken off. And it took me 1 minute actually, because I didn't want to break it. It is how it is. And let's just assume that this is the new one. You have to do the same thing on the new tip. You have to, from this form, twist it to the other side. Like this. Wait a moment. Like this. Here, if they are twisted, you have to just make sure that this fits this. So this is, as you can see, like an oval. This is like an oval. And now we just have to press it along the speaker, but very carefully, and just press it like this. You should hear a click. Now we can untwist it and we are all done. This whole process took me 2 minutes and 30, maybe not 30, but 2 minutes and 20 or 10 seconds. And actually you have to do this very delicate because you can just break this silicone ear tip and you'll have to buy a new one. And actually that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.